Okay, good afternoon, you guys, and I am back with another video. I am Jakeria Monique with Jmrkouturee, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be showing you guys another video of how you can make a lip gloss without using VERSAGEL, with using Vaseline. Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how I make my nude lip glosses with using Vaseline. You do not need VERSAGEL. So the ingredients you will need: Vaseline, coconut oil. I'm using apricot oil today, vitamin E oil, my 2 mica colors, measuring container, a spoon, your teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and your measuring, and your lip gloss tubes, and gloves, of course, and your sanitized area. So let's get started. I'm gonna put my gloves on. I'm gonna start off with putting 4 scoops of Vaseline petroleum jelly into the measuring I'm using 4 scoops because I want to fill up 4 containers. That to the side. And I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Two teaspoons of apricot oil. And 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to melt this over boiling hot water over hot heat. Like, put it over the heat and let it melt down, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back with my oils mixed down, melted down. This is the petroleum jelly, vitamin E oil, apricot oil, and the coconut oil. So what I'm going to start doing is adding in my mica colors. Chocolate. Look at that. That's very pretty. This is more like a chocolate. A little more pinch of the white. pretty. That's so pretty. You see that? It's so pretty. Okay, that's extremely pretty. Look at that. Okay. So I'm going to start to pull them inside of my lip gloss tube. It looks like this this thing is cracked. Okay, I'm gonna let them cool down and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so I am back with my nude lip glosses that you guys just see me made without VERSAGEL. And here they are. They are gorgeous. They are absolutely amazing. So, I made 4. This is them. And I just want to thank you guys for watching and continuing to stay tuned to my channel. So just go ahead and click the subscribe button, leave a comment, and like. Also let me know what you guys think of the color. And should I add a flavor to it or not? I wasn't sure if I should add vanilla to this nude or just keep it the nude how it is. So just leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. And stay tuned, and also continue to follow my social media websites, which is Jakeria Monique at Facebook and Instagram, or Jmrkouture, couture with a K, at Instagram or Facebook. And I just want to thank you guys again for staying tuned and continuing to watch me and, you know, supporting me. So I will see you in my next video, and you guys have a great day. Bye.